kasalanan dito ay si Bea Alonso because her relationship with Gerald didn't work, with Xander didn't work, so she is a problem. I think that's unfair. And I think that's not true. And I wanted, because I'm not saying na wala ho kayong karapatan magkomento, that's okay. Everybody has a right to opinionate. Ang sinasabi ko lang, let's be kinder. And I repeated that statement. How much do we actually know?
Wala na sila. Yung Japan nila, huling post nila yun. Wala na. Kaya inaabala na lang ni Bea ang kanyang sarili.
Ilang araw nang usap-usapan ang breakup rumor nina Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque, pero walang kumpirmasyon nang galing sa kanila na sila ay tunay ng hiwalay. Tanging mga kilalang showbiz reporters tulad nina Boy Abunda at OG Diaz ang naunang nagbigay ng update sa umanong totoong nangyari sa engagement ng celebrity couple. Kaya naman talaga nang inabangan ang magiging pahayag ni Dom at Bea. At nitong linggo February 11, ay sa wakas ay may opisyal ng pahayag sina Bea at Dominic bilang pagkumpirma sa kanilang paghihiwalay pero walang ibinigay na paliwanag kung bakit tinapos nila ang kanilang engagement. Mistulang nagparunggit din sina Bea at Dominic sa mga taong nagkumpirma ng kanilang breakup nang walang pahintulot mula sa kanila, gayon din sa mga taong nagpapakalat ng sari-saring alegasyon. Sa kanyang IG account, kalakip ng larawan nilang magkasama, ito ang naging pahayag. After much thought, consideration, and care, we have mutually decided to amicably end our engagement. It was not an easy decision. We wanted to have more time to carefully deliberate and pray about it, but there have been many speculations, questions, and insults. Unfortunately, some even confirmed our breakup without our consent, and some created ridiculous stories that had no basis and were utterly false. So we felt the need to share this announcement with great sadness, for our peace of mind and our families. Please understand that this is an extremely painful yet united decision, and we sincerely request for everyone to kindly spare us from more cruel and very hurtful words thrown on social media. We kindly request to give us the privacy we need as we navigate our future lives with respect, kindness, compassion, and dignity. Thank you for your understanding and support. Matatandaan na ang netizens ang unang nakapansin na hindi na sinusuot ni Bea ang kanyang engagement ring. Kasunod nito, inisplok ni Ogie Diaz sa kanyang showbiz update na isang source niya ang nagsabing hiwalay na sina Bea at Dom. Kasunod nito, kinumpirma ni King of Talk Boy Abunda na tama ang nasagap na impormasyon ni Ogie na hiwalay na nga sina Bea at Dom.